Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita, and we are going to continue grade 7 chapter 2, that is arithmetic expression, and in this video we'll discuss page number 25 and 26. So let us start. Now let us see some other examples given over here. Which is greater? 1023 plus 125 or 1022 plus 120? Now here, imagine a situation which could help us answer this without finding the actual values, right? Previous question, what we did, we found out the actual values and then we compared. But here there are some tricks given. So let us see what to do. So now Raja has 1023 marbles and he got 125 more today, right? So now he has 1023 plus 125. We are not going to add it. And Joy has 1022 marbles and got 128 more today. So now he has 1022 plus 128 marks. Now who has more? So this situation can be represented as shown in the picture. Can you see the picture over here? To begin with, Raja, in the picture on the right, to begin with, Raja won more than Joy. Like if we compare first, originally whatever marbles they had, so Joy had 1022 and Raja had 1022 plus 1 more than Joy. Correct? But now compare how many they got. Raja got 125 more and Joy got 128 more. Right, so we equate this 125, 125. So he has got 3 more marbles. So one he was having less, but he got 3 more. Right, so naturally Joy has more marbles now. Right, very nice trick of comparing numbers or the expressions. Right, now we'll see example 3. Which is greater? 113 minus 25 or 112 minus 24? Right. Now again, imagine a situation where Raja had 113 marbles and he lost 25 out of them. So he has 113 minus 25 and Joy had 112 marbles and he lost 24. So he has 112 minus 24. So who has more marbles left with them? So again, here we are not going to actually subtract it. See the picture given over here. So Raja had 1 more marble than Joy. We have equated 112 and 112. So he has 1 more marble. Right. So this 1 more marble and 25. Together 25 are removed. And Joy had 112 and from that 24 are removed. Right. So you just understand they are equal because he had 1 more marble, but more than 1 from Joy it was removed, right? From Joy 24 marbles were removed and from Raja 25 marbles. So he had 1 more, but an extra was removed from his set of marbles. That's why it is equal, right? So we are not actually doing subtraction, we are just comparing like that. Now let us try to solve this question. Use greater or less or equal to sign in each of the following expressions to compare them. Now we are going to do this without any complicated calculation, or rather any calculation. We do it mentally the way we did the previous examples. Right? So let us try to compare these questions. 245 plus 289, and on the right side it is 246 plus 285. Now what we do, we will try to equate this. So from this 289, we remove 1 and make this as 246. So this becomes 246 plus 288. And here it is 246 plus 285. So naturally here 288 is more. So the answer would be greater than. So the left hand side is greater. Correct? Let us see the next example. 273 minus 145. And here it is 272 minus 144. Now just see the numbers. Here it is 273. Here it is 272. Here they are subtracting 145 and here 144. So on the left hand side 273, it is 1 more, but they are subtracting also 1 more number. And here it is 1 less, but they are subtracting 1 less. So naturally the answer will be equal. Question number C. 364 plus 587 and 363 plus 589. So what do we do over here? We remove 1 from 364, we make it 363, and this becomes 588. So this is 363 plus 588, and the right side it is 363 plus 589. So the right hand side one is greater. Got it? And you can apply your own tricks. It is not necessary that whatever way I am doing here, I have reduced it to 363. You can do the other way, right? You can increase 363 on the right hand side, right? So both will be correct. Question number D, 124 plus 245 and 129 plus 245. Now this is easy to do because both the sides have 245, which is same. So you just need to compare 129. Here 129 is added, and on the left hand side it is only 124 added. So naturally the right hand side one is greater. Question number E, the last question. 213 minus 77 and 214 minus 76 here. So what is happening over here? It is this, the number is 213 and they are subtracting more from that compared to this. Here the number is more and they are subtracting less. So this has, suppose this we consider as marble. So this particular person, if you take it as Raja, he has less marbles and more are subtracted. Only one difference is there in both. And here he has, Joy has already 214 marbles and less are subtracted. Naturally, so the value of Joy's marbles will be more. I've just considered them as marbles, the way you can understand it the way you want, right? You can increase this value and then compare. That will also be correct. So there can be many ways of reaching the answer without actual complicated calculations. You can compare the expressions. I hope you have understood this. We'll continue with this particular chapter in the next video. Thank you.